Packaging may vary. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Retinol plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Corrector Daily Face Serum with dermatologist-proven retinol and vitamin C to help reveal younger-looking skin. Dark Spot Corrector works to renew the look of skin, by helping to brighten skin tone while improving the look of stubborn dark spots and skin discoloration. Improve skin's clarity and radiance to reveal noticeably more even, younger-looking skin in just 1 week. Contains retinol, a powerful ingredient that fights fine lines, dullness, wrinkles and dark spots. Daily Facial Serum brightens diminishes the look of skin discoloration with a formula that delivers vitamin C. Plus, it is free of mineral oil and dyes. For all skin tones and suitable for daily use in a regular skincare routine, the brightening serum transforms at-home hydration of dry skin into a self-care experience and comes from the brand used by most dermatologists. Top reviews from the United States. Smoothed my skin tone after only 1 night. I used this product years ago but couldn't find it in stores any longer. No need for the expensive creams the dermatologist was trying to sell me. This worked even better than the products I've tried from them. I haven't had faster results from anything else yet paid more for all of the others. I highly recommend. I could seriously tell a softening of my facial coloring after the first night. I wasn't expecting that at all.